You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from the Bible. If you want to learn more somewhat confusing biblical names, make sure to stay tuned. I got tons more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. The Pool of Siloam, although unfortunately I'm afraid there are two different pronunciations for it in English. Pool of Siloam, which I believe is a bit closer to the Hebrew pronunciation, but in English it's often referred to as the Pool of Siloam, so that's also a correct pronunciation. Siloam or Siloam. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.